Hey guys, Ryan here. Thank you for joining me for a new video. This one's gonna be short and sweet. I asked and you guys responded. I went to my YouTube community tab, I went to my Facebook groups, and I asked if you guys would be interested in an Amazon Merch Chrome extension, a free one by the way, that would assist you in avoiding rejections by flagging your keywords if we know that they're going to result in a rejection. So there used to be a little backstory. There used to be a Chrome extension that did this. It was called Merch Security, and the developer stopped maintaining it. So I had actually had a bunch of people asking me if that Chrome extension was still around because I had done some write-ups on it on my blog, in my courses, etc. And unfortunately, it was not up to date. So me and my buddy that I created the Automate POD extension with got together. It was actually a pretty easy extension to knock out because it's really just looking through your keywords as you type them in the brand, title, description, and bullets. And if it sees a trigger word that's known to result in rejections, it'll just highlight the field for you in bright red. Now, if you still want to submit it, it will let you do that. However, when you include, let's just say, for example, you say you're spelling the word shirt and you miss the R. All right, that's a typo. If you've uploaded, like I uploaded 13,000 products to Amazon Merch manually before I ever started automating the upload process. That's actually true. I really did that. And if you do that many, you're gonna have a misspelling of the word shirt at least once, and it's an instant rejection. There's no need for that to happen, guys. So what I'm gonna do is I put a link in the description to our Chrome extension. All it requires to work is that you use Google Chrome while you upload, and that's pretty much it. All I ask is, hey, if you're liking the extension, drop us a review on the Google Chrome store. And also, this is, I guess, one thing that needs to be pointed out is the list of trigger words that we have flagged while you're using the extension, which, by the way, you don't need to click anything for it to work. All you have to do is add it to your Chrome. The list is sourced from communities, from people like you and me that are actively uploading to Merch. So if you find a word that you suspect, and we're not looking for trademarks, by the way. We're not looking for trademarks. We're not trying to do anything related to trademarks. This is purely words that Merch will always reject. If you find one that we didn't catch, all I ask is, hey, let me know. I got a Discord server, Facebook groups, I'm on Facebook Messenger, email me, drop me a comment on this video. I'm very accessible, but that'll help us help you and help everybody else using it. So I'd really appreciate that, guys. Also, one last thing. When you check the youth checkbox, you're subject to a stricter content policy, and this extension also has youth size specific word flagging. Now, that is not a perfect science because Amazon Merch doesn't give us the list of words, which is why extensions like this were built. So like Merch Security. By the way, our extension's called Merch Keywords. So I forgot to even give you the name, but yeah, check it out. Again, link in the description, completely free. All I ask is help us make it better if you find a word that we should be flagging that's not currently flagged. And that's pretty much it, guys. If you have any questions or thoughts, hit me up in the comments below. Otherwise, thanks for watching, and I'll see you at the next one.